I'm going to be showing you how you can create a landing page with AI. I'm going to be using a service called QuickCreator. So let's get started with this right here. And on the side right here, this is where this button up here, this is where you have your first site at. You can build a new website. You can just click that button right there. On this button here, on the side right here, you can click this and you can create a new landing page if you like. And then you have the home page. This is the home page right here. The UI of this looks pretty good. It's very simple and easy to navigate. So you can just come over here to like create and create from a template, or you can come over here to the blank pages and just click that, and then that's all you need to do. It's not very complicated. That's what I like about this, the simplicity of it. And then you have on the side right here the landing pages. So when I click on that, and on the landing pages, they have all of the landing pages right here. So you got the unpublished landing pages, and then you're going to have the ones that's going to be published right there. And then now we're going to go into the site settings, and in the general section right here, you can have your site's name. So this is your site name right there. And you can also publish all your pages on this site right here by hitting this publish button right there. So when I scroll down here, you got the site images. So you got the favicon. And if you don't know what a favicon is, basically is this image right here that you see in the browser tab. So if you look over here to this Facebook, you see the Facebook image right there to the top. So that is where the favicon is. So you can upload your favicon if you like. And then they have the Google Analytics, so you can integrate Google Analytics into your site right there. And they have the Google Tag Manager, so you can integrate Google Tag Managers in your site also. So those will be very helpful for you for keeping a track of your analytics and data and stuff like that. Okay, so let's look at the domain section. So this is the basic domain right here, and you can use the default home page. You can set the desired page as the home page in your page session. So this is the URL right there. That's what they're using. And then the status right here, if you got unpublished, then you can publish it to your site base to a base domain right there. You got the custom domain, so you can use QuickCreator subdomain if you like. Then you also have where you can use my subdomain, and you also have where you can use my domain subdirectory. So let's go back up here to the multilingual translation. So when you click on this one right here, you can expand your reach to a global audience with their multi-language landing page translation services. Now they saying that they're sorry for the inconvenience. We're currently upgrading and enhancing this feature to provide you with better experience. Okay, so this is might be still be working on right here. So I might want to hold off on that one until they get that straightened out. Okay, then you got the code injections. So the custom code right here and scripts will be added to every page of the public website. Please note that we cannot 100% guarantee the stability of the pages after the code is injected. So I have used some of this in my sites. My site where I had to enter some code into the header section so that it can track all the pages and stuff like that. I think this right here is for when you're doing, let's say if you're maybe running some ads or something, you want to put like Facebook pixels or something like that in there so you can track all the pages and stuff. If you're doing e-commerce, what you can do is you can just add this code in here. So this will be on the header, and this one right here is in the site body right here. So that's the body tag. So you can enter the code in right there so you can track all your pages and stuff like that. So that's what that does. And let's go back over here to the home page so we can start to create our first landing page, right? So what you do here, you got two options here. You can start from a template, which I think that is recommended right there. You just start from a template, or if you have some coding experience, you can do a blank page right there. But I'm going to start with the template right here. So I'm just going to click on that one. And from here, this is where you can choose a page template right here. So they got quite a few up here. They got a startup template. You can see how that looks. They got a start electronic scale promotion one. When I scroll down, They have like one for e-commerce, startup. What else they have here? Lead generation. I'm going to do lead generation. So I'm just going to click that. And once you click that, only thing you have to do is click over here where it says select template. Then you click that. Then you can give it a name if you like, if you want. I'm just going to skip that and just going to hit create button. And we're going to give it a few seconds here and let's see if it pop. Okay, it's already popped up. That was very quick, I must say. And over here you got the prompt. So this is really for their AI. So when you enter in this information, this is for the AI is going to use that information to create the content for your landing page, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in some simple information here. So let's do one with since this is going to be a lead generation, I'm going to put in like online business student and marketing coach. All right, and so then we have the SEO keyword. Let's do marketing coach. All right, and then you got the product or services feature description, and you see where it says write your prompt. So that is definitely for AI. So I'm just going to put in something very simple. I'm just going to do online marketing coach. So give it something. Now they do have this summarize key points by URLs. Let me click that just to just to show you how this is going to look, right? You might want to check this out. So all you have to do in here is this: you just put in, let's say if you have a website already, let's say if you have one with like a marketing coach or something like that, you just put it in and it can generate, it'll generate those prompts and stuff for you, and you just copy that over. So that's how that kind of works there. Let's go back over here. Let's go back in here, and we're going to hit generate, and it's going to generate this content for my landing page now. So let's just hit generate. Now I say it's going to take anywhere from around 1 to 5 minutes, but I think it's going to be much more faster than that. What it looks like, okay, it's done already again. So you see just how fast this is. This is pretty fast, guys. So let's see how the lead generation page looks right here. So it has conference, says transform your business with a marketing coach. And then it has the where you can capture the information over here. I kind of like this right here. So we can capture the name, the phone number, the email, and you can even leave a message right here. So I love this, and I like the information that it is posting here. And you can come in, you can edit this if you don't like the information. So all you gotta do is just tap it, and you can see the cursor there. This came up, and you can just hit back, or you can just put in any kind of information that you want in there. So that's how you can edit that information on there. Let's scroll down. Let's see how the rest of it looks. So we got features on here. Then it just got something about guidance right there. And it says access expert guidance from experienced online marketing coach to boost your business success. Okay, so that looks pretty good. When you scroll down, you can see the rest of it here and see how it looks. And it also has put in some client feedback stuff. So if you got any clients that you have worked with, you can even put their image in here and then put their testimony in there. So we scroll down, and they even have a join the waiting list on there. You can change, but you can change all of this right here if you want to. So let's go on the side right here. So on the side right here, where it says generator, you can click that, and these are the prompts that it uses. This is information that I had put into, and then that's all really that does. So you got the blocks. So let's go down here to the blocks. You can change around some things if you want to. So those blocks, as we just scroll down, you can rearrange these if you want to. You can push it up like the one with the feedback. and the client, all I got to do is just push that up one if I want to, and I can change that around. And then you got the site styles. So let's just click that. You can see what the site styles and stuff like that look like. And you also can do a page settings. So you can come in here. Now this is some SEO stuff also. So you can give it a page name, and you got the URL slug. Now this right here, let's see what it says about this. Say the URL slug is the last part of the URL address that is served as a unique identifier. So you might want to have some keywords in here if you want to put this on the slug right here. And then you can also make this as a home page. So then on the SEO side right here, it looks like you can, it has the page title, the keywords, descriptions, and stuff like that. Let's see if you can do, yeah, you can change this information in here. You can also change some of the keywords and stuff. The title, you can change that if you like, and then just hit the save button right there. Okay, let's see what else we got here. See what else we can do here. Let me scroll down. Oh, let's see. Okay, this is the one about the feedback. I had pushed that one up a little bit. Remember I had showed y'all that with the blocks, so it went up one. So you can change it around however you want to. And what else do we have? See what else we got here. So you can even, when I click on that, yes, you can even see it in a mobile view. So when I click on that and you scroll down, you can see how this is going to look on a mobile device right there. And then when you click back on this again, it's going to go back to like a desktop view here. Now there was something else that I wanted to show you guys. Yes, when you click this button over here where it says add the block, when you click that little plus sign right there, this is where you're going to have a whole lot more things that you can add here. So you got headers right here. You got this, you can add in a CTA if you want to. You got features and stuff like this right here. You got the footers, so you can add in certain foot. You can add in testimonies. You can add in a Q&A right here. You can add in a form right here. And this is going to be very helpful right here. Matter of fact, I want to just add that one in right here. So show you in later. Let me show you how that's going to look. Let me scroll down to the bottom here. You see that? So this wasn't here before, but if you want to collect the email address right there, that's what you can do. You can add that in there to the bottom. Let's go through a few more. You can add in an image. You got forms. You got a video. So if you want to add in a video, and this could be like I think this is a video pop-up right here. And you can add in an articles. So you can do even the contact, and you can even embed. Now, this is something that I think that you can even add in like the HTML code where let's say if you want to, if you got Aweber, Mailchimp, or MailerLite, and you want to add in the opt-in form. I'm assuming that you can add this in here with this one. I hope so that you can do that with this, because if you got a lead generation page stuff, you really want to add in that to there so you can start collecting these emails and adding them to your autoresponder. So I'm hoping that you can do that with this right here. So I hope that's what that is for. And then you got pricing if you're doing e-commerce and stuff like that. You can see this right here. Let's take a look at this though. I'm gonna click on this one. Let's see if it's what it has in. Okay, wow, this looks pretty good. So even if you're doing e-commerce, look at this right here. You can add in images, you can add in the price, and you gotta buy now. And then also, well, I'm assuming that when you click on this, that can link out to if you're doing what is it called, Amazon affiliate marketing and stuff like that. If you want to build a page like that, let's click on that and see what it does here. And let's see if we can add in. Yes, you can. So you can enter in a link right there, and you can even have it open in a new window. And that's what you need right there. Okay, so you can even do e-commerce and stuff like that with this. And let's see if I can delete this also. Let's see, delete this block. Yes. Okay. All right, so it's back to normal again. And there you go. There you go. Now you have your page built. You got a landing page built. And this one is a lead generation page right here. And now you're good to go. Now all we have to do is publish this right here. So I'm going to hit the publish button. Well, let's hit the preview first. Let's preview it. Let's see how it looks. Let's check out the content and everything on here. Okay, so everything looks good to me. Content. Now, if you want to rearrange some things, you can. But like I say, if you want to add in like a where you can start collecting email addresses and send them directly to your autoresponder, you want to make sure that you add that in there. Let's see what else. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, this is how it looks. So this is the preview. This is how it looks in the preview. And we're just going to go ahead and hit the publish button. So let's just hit publish. Let's go. And it also can give you the option where you can custom domain. So if you got a domain you want to put it on there where I spoke about earlier, you can do that. But we're just going to hit the publish button right there. So it's going to take about 1 or 2 minutes right here. It's probably going to be way faster than that based on what I've been seeing here. So let's just give it a second here to publish that. Just visit the site. Let's just click that then. Alright, so here is how it looks in your browser. This is how it will look if you send this link over to your audience, right? So this is how it's going to look. Just look how professional that looks. I mean, you only have to make a few changes here, you know, like adding some different images. You want to put in some more different content and stuff like that. And make sure that you add in your where to capture your leads and stuff like that. And you're good to go. And this is how your site will look. So okay, so this looks pretty good, guys. So this is QuickCreator's landing page builder. This is how it looks, guys. All right, let's go back and let's see what we got here. Let's go back and see how I can go back to the back here because I want to show you something else also. Okay, back home. All right, so when you publish your first landing page right here, this is what's going to pop up in your recent section here. And when you click that button there, you can see the page prompts. So you can just get all the prompts that you use to create that page for the AI. And then you got the untitled page right here. That's your URL right there. And it's also going to have the last updated, and the status right here is going to be published. This is where you can view it. This is where you can change some things with your URL slug if you want to. You can look at your SEO and stuff like that. And also these 3 dots here on the side, you can make a duplicate of. You can delete it, or you can republish, or you can unpublish this right here. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. That's how you can make your landing page with QuickCreator. Hope that you like this information. Make sure that you like this, and also drop a comment if you have any questions about this here. I'm going to drop a link if you like what you see right here and you need to create a landing page for your business, then check out QuickCreators. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.